In this video, we will discuss few important definition related to the atomic number, mass number, how to calculate atomic or mass number from the given data. So it is defined as atomic number. So atomic number of an element is equal to number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of that element. Now just for example, hydrogen have one proton in its nucleus, so its atomic number is 1. Sodium has 11 protons in the nucleus, so its atomic number is 11. So oxygen having 8 protons in the nucleus, so atomic number 8. Nitrogen has 7 proton in the nucleus, so 7 is the atomic number. Chlorine has 17 proton in the nucleus, so 17 atomic number. Now as we know, atom as a whole is neutral. Now why any atom is a neutral? Because it contains equal number of electron and proton. Now just for example, if it is a sodium, it contains an 11 electron as well as 11 proton. That is why we can say atom as a whole a neutral. So in terms of electron, we can say atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in the extra nuclear part, or we can say in the neutral atom. So in a neutral atom, atomic number is equal to the number of protons as well as it is equal to the number of electrons in it. But for the electrons, the condition must be that atom should be neutral. Just for example, when chlorine is neutral or even it is charge carrying, the protons will remain the same but electrons change. So atomic number always considered equal to the number of protons. So few characteristics of atomic number is it is always a whole number. No two elements have same atomic number. That is, each element has a fixed atomic number. And atomic number does not change during a chemical reaction. And it is denoted by the symbol Z. And it is always written on the left lower side here. 1H. So 1 is here atomic number. 3 Li. So 3 here is atomic number. Next concept is the mass number. So mass number is sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the atom of that element. That is, mass number of an element is equal to number of protons plus neutrons, and collectively, that is, protons and neutrons collectively called as nucleons. So mass number also defined as number of nucleons present in the atom of that element. Now if X is a symbol of an element, then Z represent its atomic number and A represent its mass number. The generalized statement for the cover topic is that atomic number is equal to number of protons, or we can say number of electrons in the neutral atom, whereas mass number or atomic mass represented by the symbol A, it is equal to the sum of protons and neutrons. Now let's discuss the question based on above topic is calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in the sodium atom. Given atomic number of sodium is 11 and mass number is 23. So as we know, atomic number is equal to the number of protons and atomic number is 11. So number of protons is 11 here. And in a neutral atom, the number of proton is equal to the number of electrons. So since number of protons is 11, so number of electrons also become 11. And mass number is equal to number of protons plus neutron. From here we can easily calculate neutron by subtracting number of protons from the mass number. So mass number here is 23 and number of protons 11. So neutrons will be 23 minus 11. What is given in the question? In the question it is given that atomic number is 11 and mass number is 23. Now if atomic number is 11, so number of protons will be 11. Since number of protons is equal to the number of electron, because it is a neutral atom, here it is not written that it is an ion, so it is a neutral atom by which we can easily calculate number of electrons which are equal to number of protons, and mass number is equal to sum of proton and neutron. We know the value for mass number, we know the value for proton, so we can easily calculate neutrons here. Now the next question is, what will be the composition of the nucleus of an atom? composition of nucleus means what the number of protons and neutron it is asked of an element with atomic number 19 and mass number 39. Now if atomic number is 19, now what does this represent? This represents the number of protons which are equal to 19. Now the second point is given mass number. Mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons here. Now what is the mass number here? 39. What are number of protons here? 19. So by this we can easily calculate the number of neutrons, which comes out to be 20 here. So if we discuss the composition of nucleus, that nucleus contain 19 protons and 20 neutrons. Now next question is, the nucleus of an atom of an element contains 17 proton and 18 neutron. Now 17 proton means its atomic number is 17. So what we have to calculate here? Calculate the atomic number. So atomic number will be 17. Now next we have to calculate the mass number, and mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. So 17 plus 18 is equal to 35. So mass number comes out to be 35 here. Now we have to represent the symbol here. 17 means it is a chlorine atom. So 17 atomic number and 35 mass number.